Welcome to the Age of Scale, a channel dedicated to modeling historic rail and sail. If you've ever been captivated by the majestic grace of a tall ship under sail or the rumble of a steam locomotive thundering down the tracks, you know there's something special about these marvels of engineering. Here we're going to dive into the art of scale modeling, taking you step by step through the construction of some truly iconic models. Ever wonder how to plank a ship's hull, or how to rig those hundreds of tiny lines on a square rigger? We'll tackle those challenges together. And for you railroad buffs, we'll look into creating stunning, realistic scenery that tells a story. Here are just a few examples of the ships you could build for yourself. AI allows you to put yourself right in the cab driving an engine or walking the deck on a ship at sea. Here on the channel Age of Scale, we'll go through the various stages of model building, from the unboxing of the kit through the various stages of construction and rigging to the final model. On the railroad side, we'll cover techniques for creating trees and hills and weathering scenes that draw the viewer into life on your railroad empire, be it a small or room-size layout. We'll be sharing tutorials, product reviews, and plenty of behind-the-scenes looks at ongoing projects. So if you're ready to embark on an adventure of miniature engineering and artistic expression, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join the Age of Scale family. I can't wait to see what we build together.